Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage gravy. First, gather your ingredients: 1 medium head of cabbage, about 6 slices of bacon, and 1 large onion. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Having these items ready ensures a smooth cooking process. Make sure your cabbage is fresh and crisp for the best flavor. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. To begin, cook your bacon in a large pot or Dutch oven until it's wonderfully crispy. Remove the bacon, leaving about 2 tablespoons of the rendered fat in the pot. Next, add your chopped onions to the hot fat and sauté them until they become soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, add your shredded cabbage and cook it down until it's tender, stirring occasionally. Now it's time to make the gravy. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of flour over the cooked cabbage and any remaining fat in the pot. Stir constantly for 1 minute to cook out the raw flour taste, creating a roux. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, ensuring there are no lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring frequently until the gravy thickens to your desired consistency, which typically takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, combine your tender cabbage with the rich, savory gravy. Stir gently to ensure everything is well coated. Taste and adjust seasonings, adding salt, black pepper, or a pinch of dried thyme as needed. Crumble the crispy bacon back into the dish for added texture and flavor. Serve this comforting dish warm, perhaps alongside some cornbread or mashed potatoes. It's a truly satisfying meal that's perfect for any occasion. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.